Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this Pastel Daisy Nail Art design using some nail art stickers from Twinkled T. They have a variety of sticker packs that are available on their website, and they currently retail for $6 each. Today I'll be using some Daisy stickers from the Daisy Baby sticker set, but just know that this sticker set also comes with some baby breath stickers as well. I'll start off with a base coat and then one coat of a white polish as the base color for my pastel gradient. Then I'm going to apply Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier all around my nail for easy cleanup before I sponge on the gradient. Then I'm going to apply random dots of pastel polishes in blue, green, pink, and purple to a makeup sponge. Then I'm going to dab that onto my nail, and for the second coat I'm going to make sure that the sponge is in relatively the same area so that I don't muddy up the colors. Once I'm happy with the gradient, I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection from around my nail and apply a fast drying top coat to smooth out the gradient. Like I mentioned before, this pack has some Daisy and Baby Breath nail art stickers, but for this nail art design I'm only going to be using the Daisy stickers. Then I just used my finger to peel the sticker from the backing and place it onto my nail. You could also use tweezers if you'd like, but I found that it was easier just to use my own fingers. And finally, I just sealed it all in with one last layer of a fast drying top coat. And you're done! Here's the finished design. So that's all for this nail art tutorial, but I also did another video last year where I created a colorful and fruity French manicure design using the Twinkled T Sweet and Sour nail art sticker pack, and I'll have that linked on your screen as well as in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!